Welcome to day 3 of our exercise and motivation journey. Whether you are a returning participant or just starting now, you are making an important commitment to your health. Remember, every step counts on this path to a healthier life. Today's core message is about the power of consistency in your fitness journey. Perfection isn't the goal, it's all about showing up, especially on days when motivation feels low. Think of every small effort as a building block towards your long-term health and confidence. Here's your challenge for today: dedicate at least 10 minutes to move your body. It doesn't need to be anything extravagant. Whether it's a short jog, some stretches, or simple core exercises, just get moving. Showing up today lays the groundwork for tomorrow's commitment. Remember, it's not about the length of your workout but the act of moving and investing in your well-being. Even a brief session of 10 minutes can cultivate discipline that grows over time. Each workout is a step towards bigger changes. You've completed day 3. Take a moment to acknowledge your efforts and think about what motivated you to embark on this journey. Was it to enhance your strength, improve your health, or boost your confidence? Keep that motivation close, it will guide you through tough days. Stay focused on your individual reasons for starting. Remember, this journey is personal and requires consistency. Each day is a new opportunity to push a little harder and dedicate yourself to your goals. Let that passion propel you forward. As you continue, set realistic goals that are achievable for you. Celebrate small victories, whether it's completing today's 10 minutes or achieving something larger down the line. Every success deserves recognition because it builds your confidence. Find joy in your movements and remember to listen to your body. This isn't just about fitness, it's about creating a routine that fits into your life and brings you satisfaction. Enjoy the process as much as the results. Encouragement is key in any journey. Surround yourself with supportive people who share your goals. Share your challenges and triumphs with others. You'll find that accountability strengthens your resolve and motivates you even more. If you found today's video uplifting, like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's keep this community growing. I encourage you to comment below your workout achievements and what you plan to tackle next. Together, we can keep everyone motivated. Get ready for day 4 tomorrow. Every new day brings fresh opportunities for growth. Remember, progress takes time, but with each workout, you are moving closer to your goals. Let's keep supporting each other on this amazing journey. You're not alone in this. We're all in this together, facing challenges and celebrating victories as a community. Every effort matters, so stay committed, stay positive, and remember that every step forward is a step towards a healthier you. See you tomorrow for day 4. We've only just begun, and I can't wait to share more tips and motivation with you. Keep your spirits high and your mind focused on your goals. Together, let's make progress each day.